Tired of endlessly rolling and want to understand these race events and how to crush them? Alright, let's dive straight into understanding Monopoly Go's race events. These pop up periodically and offer chances to win big rewards. The core is simple. Land on specific tiles highlighted on your board. Each tile gives you points. The higher the multiplier you use, the more points you rack up with each landing. Pay close attention because different tiles often award different point values. Usually, railroads and chance tiles are the highest point earners, so strategically aim for those. You're competing against other players on a leaderboard. The higher you climb, the better the rewards at the end of the event. Think dice, cash, stickers, and more. A pro tip, save your high dice multipliers for when you're 68 spaces away from a valuable tile like a railroad. This is called railroad strat and can make or break your race. Keep an eye on the event timer. Plan your gameplay accordingly. Don't waste all your dice early on. The rewards are usually tiered based on your final ranking. So, even if you don't reach the top, you can still score some awesome prizes. So, strategize, manage your dice multipliers wisely, and dominate those race events for huge Monopoly Go wins. Good luck!